Hello friends and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech, and in this session what we are going to learn, in this session we are going to see something new, how we can access our SSH service on our web browser, okay, using our IP address. But before we move to our practical, friends, if you learn something from our videos, please consider to subscribe our channel. Okay friends, so let's start. So friends, what we normally do, we access our SSH. Suppose I want to access my Raspberry Pi 4 terminal on my remote machine. What we can do, basically, we can open the terminal. Okay, suppose I have Ubuntu machine, okay, on my remote, and I want to access my Raspberry Pi 4 terminal on Ubuntu machine. So basically what we do, we open the terminal and we enter the SSH and remote machine IP address and user. But suppose how to access the SSH SSH terminal or Raspberry Pi 4 terminal inside the web browser. Inside the web browser means I just want to mention the IP address of our Raspberry Pi 4 machine inside our browser, and then we can access our Raspberry Pi 4 terminal using SSH. Okay, so simply for that we need to install here a package, and the package name is shell in a box. Okay, so sudo apt install shell in a box. This is what the package, you need to install this package, which I have already installed, as you can see. So package name is shell in a box. Sudo apt install shell in a box. Okay, then go to the cd/etc/default. Okay, and okay, you need to go inside the cd/etc/default, and if I run ls here, as you can see, this is what the configuration file. Okay, shell in a box. So sudo nano shell in a box, and here as you can see, this is what the by default port of shell in a box service. So you can change this port, okay, if you want to change, but I'm going to remain with by default port. Okay, so 4200 is by default port, and I'm going to not change the by default port. Okay, now we are ready, and we need to just restart the shell in a box service. Okay, so sudo /etc/init.d init.d, and our service is shell in a box, and just restart. Okay, now we are ready, and we know the IP address. So we want to know the IP address. So IP address is 192.168.0.100. okay, now simply open the Chromium browser. Okay, and here we need to uh, uh, just mention the address. Okay, start with https. Okay, so https then 192.168.0.100. this is what the IP address of our Raspberry Pi 4 machine. Then and 4200 is the port. Okay, then simply hit enter, and here we need to go advanced. Okay, and proceed with. Okay, as you can see, Raspberry Pi login, it means we have successfully logged in, and now we are accessing our SSH server on from our web browser. Okay, so Pi is the user, and I want to enter the password for our Pi user, and as you can see, we are now logged in SSH server on our web browser. Okay, so if I run ifconfig, as you can see, this is what our ifconfig command result, IP address and all those things. Just simply right click here, and you can change the shell color also. Okay, shell theme, basically black on white, black on white is right now, and you can change with white on black. As you can see, white on black. So this is the way you can access your SSH shell from the web browser. Means you can access now. Suppose you have the ngrok server, you can able to access, or you can able to forward the 192.168.0.100 with 4200 port with the help of ngrok, and then you can access your Raspberry Pi SSH server anywhere in the world with the help of ngrok. I hope you will learn something from this video, and you also install shell in a box on your Raspberry Pi 4. We'll meet our next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.